Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm going to show you how you can download your floor plan with dimensions or without them. When you have your floor plan ready, go to File in the top left corner of your screen and click on Download Floor Plan. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can crop the floor plan if you need to. Now all your dimensions and room titles are visible, so you can download your floor plan with your dimensions and room titles. If you don't need dimensions and room titles, then go to File, go to Settings, and from here, switch off default dimensions and room titles. Click on Download Floor Plan. Again, you can crop the image. And now you can download it without any dimensions and room titles. This is how your floor plan will look with room titles and dimensions. And this is without them. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!